Here you go. Alright, I got you. I got you.
Wow, look who it is. What do you want?
Okay, here. You can still gang her. Here. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, woman. You talk too much. Silence, woman. Silence. I do not want to hear your yapping. Yapping and no, where were we supposed to go? What do you want to say? You want me to rip it off again?
Stop that!
Okay. There, I waxed your woman mustache. You should thank me. Cause those waxing strips aren't cheap. I know, because these are all mine. Whoa, I can't even get that close.